Okay. Yesterday we were discussing about what is Salesforce, what are the advantages of using software applications, and what are the difficulties of using software applications. These are the 3 points in the last class we discussed. Actually, in the IT field, in the software field, we have two types of companies. One is vendor companies. The other one is what? Service-based companies. Vendor companies like SAP, Microsoft, Oracle, Google, these are all vendor companies. Like these companies, Salesforce is also a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. And this company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. So today, I'll discuss about what is cloud computing. So these are all vendor companies. These companies are developing software products like operating systems, programming languages, technologies, applications, packages. Okay, these are all what? Come on, guys. Speak out. Software products. These are the products are developed by vendor companies. And development companies like CTS, Wipro, TCS, Accenture, Capgemini. These are all service-based companies. And these companies are developing software applications as per the requirement of the clients. So these are the companies are developing software products. Using these products, development companies are developing the software applications as per the requirement of the clients. And clients are nothing but the business people. Okay. And they will use software applications in their business. But what are the advantages of using software applications? There are 3 major advantages. First advantage, it saves your time. Second advantage, security. And the third advantage is scalability. So these are the 3 major advantages. And coming to difficulties, the major difficulties are both the clients and development companies, they need to keep on, upgrading the software, installing the software and maintaining the software. It leads to increase the cost. That is why only big level companies or top level companies are using software applications, but not small companies. So to avoid this particular problem, Salesforce company come up with a new concept name is called, what is this? Cloud computing. So yesterday we discussed about what is Salesforce, what are the advantages of using software applications, and what are the difficulties of using software applications. Advantages, 3 major advantages: time, security, and what? Scalability. And coming to the difficulties, both development companies and clients, they need to keep on upgrading the software, installing the software, and maintaining the software. Understand everyone in the class? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Chandra, Alekhya, good. So these difficulties, all these difficulties we can overcome by using the concept name is called cloud computing. So today in class, I'm going to start with cloud computing. What is cloud computing here? Cloud computing means it is a technology or it is a concept. In this technology, in this concept, whatever IT services we need, everything will provide by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. Do you understand what I'm speaking here? It is a technology, it is a concept. Here, whatever services we require, every service provided by vendor company, as a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. But what kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company basically provides three types of services. One is IaaS, second one PaaS, third one is SaaS or AaaS. IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. PaaS stands for platform as a service. SaaS stands for software or application as a service. So these are the three services provided by vendor company. So what is the meaning of infrastructure as a service? Infrastructure as a service means what? Infrastructure as a service means providing hardware as a service is known as infrastructure as a service. Providing hardware as a service is called infrastructure as a service. Providing hardware as a service means what? Hardware means vendor company servers, vendor company networks, and also they will also provide what? Their memory space as a service to all of us. This kind of service we can call it as infrastructure as a service. Database servers, application servers, networks, memory space, everything comes under hardware only. So if any vendor company provide all these three as a service, that kind of service we can call it as what? Infrastructure as a service. Understand everyone in the class? Hello. Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving you a simple example. You people know about Google company. Google company provided Google Drive. Yes, sir. Come on, speak out. Google company provided what? Google Drive.
Yes, sir.
Google Drive is what? It's a memory space. How much memory space they given? 15 GB memory space is a free service to all of us. So I can say this is the best example for what? Come on. Infrastructure as a service. Understand Chandra and Alekhya? Am I audible?
Yes. Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can say this is the example for what? Hardware as a service. I can say infrastructure as a service. Next, coming to the second one, platform as a service. So what is the meaning of platform as a service? Platform means, guys, as a developer, if you want to develop any application for any client, as a developer, you need minimum three things. And also you should need one database and also one operating system. So without operating system, without database, and without programming language, it is not possible to develop the application for any company. That is not possible. So if any vendor company provides programming language, database, and operating system as a service, that kind of service we can call it as what? Platform as a service. Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Programming language which is given by Salesforce company is called what? Apex language. Apex is a programming language which is given by Salesforce company. okay, on which we can develop the business application. Understand, Alekhya? So they disclose the company name, so they disclose the programming language name, but they do not disclose what? Database name and operating system name. They don't know, they do not disclose. What is the database they are using and what is the operating system they are using. Okay, they disclose only the programming language name, Apex language. So this Apex language we will discuss at the time of development part. Okay, yesterday I told you very clearly, we are going to cover total 6 modules in your syllabus: configuration, development, integration, administration, CRM, and lightning. Understand everyone in the class? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So at the time of development, we will discuss about the programming language called what? Apex. Okay, fine. The platform which is given by Salesforce, is called force.com platform. What is the platform name? Force.com. This is the platform which is given by Salesforce. Actually, force.com is the old name. The new name can be called as Lightning Platform. Okay. So on this platform, we can develop the application as per the client requirement. So on force.com platform, we can develop the application in Salesforce very quickly. That is why it can be called as a RAD. You know what is RAD stands for? Rapid Application, come on, development. So rapid means what? Fast application development. So we can develop the application very quickly, very fastly, as per the client requirement on this platform. Understand everyone what I'm speaking here? Alekhya and Chandra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is called what? Platform as a service. What is the platform name which is given by Salesforce? Come on.
Force.com.
Force.com, that is the old name. Lightning Platform is a new name. And coming to the third one, software as a service or application as a service. What is software as a service or application service? On this platform, developers develop the application. Whatever application they develop, if they give the application directly as a service, then that kind of service we can call it as, come on, application as a service. Once again, I'm repeating, guys. On this platform, developer, whatever application I develop, if we give this application directly as a service, that kind of service we can call it as what? Application as a service or software as a service. Am I clear, everyone in the class? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. So, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. You people know about Google company. Google company developed the application. What is the application name? Gmail application. Using this application, we can send and receive the emails. Yes or no? Come on, speak out. So, Google company given or developed the Gmail application and they given this application as a service. Using this application, you can send and receive the emails. So in this particular example, Google company provided Gmail as an application to all of us so that we can send and receive the emails. So in this example, the vendor company Google provided the application as a service. This kind of service we can call it as what? Software as a service or application as a service. Like that, vendor company provides total 3 types of services. The first service name is called infrastructure as a service. Second service called platform as a service. And the third service can be called as what? Software as a service or application as a service. So am I clear? This part of the explanation regarding all the 3 services which are provided by vendor company Salesforce, Alekhya and Chandra.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Fine, guys. The next point, what I'm going to discuss in today's session is Versions of Salesforce. What is this? Versions of Salesforce. What are the versions? What are the versions of Salesforce? Salesforce basically every year, Salesforce releases 3 versions based on what is this? Based on seasons. Based on what? Seasons. Like, winter season, summer season, and what is the last one here? Spring season. Winter season, summer season, and spring season. So like that, every year Salesforce releases 3 versions. Winter version, summer version, and what is the last and final one here? Come on, guys, spring version. So these are the 3 versions, okay, which is given by Salesforce. Winter, summer, and what? Spring. Understand the point, all of you? Hello. The current version, what you people are learning is summer version. Summer 2024 version. What is this 24 release? 24 represents? 24 represents year number. What is 24 represents? Year number. Okay. So summer version 24. This is the version released by, okay, Salesforce company. Okay, guys. So let me show how the version is look like. How to find out the today's version here? So look at this. Login.salesforce.com. Click on home button. Look at this Alekhi and Chandra. Summer 24 for developers. So what is the version you people are learning? Summer 24 version. Understand everyone? Guys?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Good. Next one. Next topic after versions of Salesforce. Next one, editions of Salesforce. What are the editions of Salesforce? Salesforce releases 5 editions. That is Starter Edition. Starter Edition can also be called as Essential Edition. Second one, Unlimited Edition. Professional Edition. Enterprise Edition. Developer Edition. So total how many editions are there? Come on. 5 editions.
5 editions.
Starter Edition, Unlimited Edition, Professional Edition, Enterprise Edition, and what? Developer Edition. Among these 4 editions, first 4 editions, Professional, Enterprise, Unlimited, Starter, first 4 editions are paid editions. What is the meaning of paid editions? Paid editions means we need to buy the license from the Salesforce company. Okay, it is not free. Okay, we need to purchase, we need to buy the edition from the Salesforce company as per your requirement. But among these editions, Unlimited Edition is the most expensive edition, guys. Unlimited edition is the most expensive edition. The companies like, Wipro, Microsoft, no, not Wipro, TCS, CTS, okay, Capgemini. This kind of companies generally using what? Infosys. This kind of companies having a lot of employees are working. Hundreds of thousands of employees are working. Generally, these companies are purchasing what? Come on. Unlimited edition. Small companies, level 1, level 2, CMM level 1, CMM level 2 companies are generally using what? Either starter, professional, or enterprise edition. Okay, guys. So first 4 editions are paid editions, but the last edition is the developer edition. This is the free edition. So this is the edition we are using in the classroom. This is the edition what we are using in the classroom. Understand? Chandra and Alekhya? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So first 4 editions are what? Paid editions. We need to buy the license. I will show you the cost of each edition. Salesforce editions. And what is this? Pricing list. Well, Salesforce editions. Yes, look at this, all of you. Essential edition. Starter edition. Look at this. Professional edition. Enterprise edition. Unlimited edition. What is the last one here? Come on. And developer edition. Understand everyone? Developer, unlimited, enterprise, professional. And what is the next one here? Starter edition. Actually, starter edition, essential edition, both are same, guys. No difference. Okay. So these are the editions given by Salesforce. And the last edition is developer edition. This is the free edition. This is what we are using in the classroom. Look at this. Developer.force.com. What I typed in the URL, Chandra and Alekhya, developer.salesforce.com.
Developer.forced.
Yeah, developer.salesforce.com. If you type here, click on this arrow button, down arrow button. Click on Browse Trials. And what is the button name here? Sign up for the Salesforce Developer Edition. Click here. Everybody, please read this. Sign up for your Salesforce Developer Edition, a Salesforce platform environment for what? Come on. Free. What is this? So Developer Edition is a free edition, guys. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. So like that, Salesforce given total 5 types of editions: starter, unlimited, professional, enterprise, and developer. That is all about the editions and versions. And the coming to the next important thing is called What is the next topic here? Environments of Salesforce. Alekhya and Chandra, this topic is very important. Please listen carefully.
Sure.
Environments of Salesforce. There are two types of environments. First one, sandbox environment. And the second one is called here, come on, production environment. What is sandbox environment here? Sandbox environment means it is purely, developers environment where developers are sitting and develop the application as per the client requirement. It is purely developers environment where developers are sitting and develop the application as per the client requirement. I can say it is purely a PaaS environment. What is PaaS stands for? Platform as a service. Here we have four types of sandboxes. Here we have four types of sandboxes. First one is called developer sandbox. Developer Pro sandbox. Partial copy sandbox. And full copy sandbox. So total how many here? Four. Developer sandbox, developer pro sandbox, partial copy sandbox, and full copy sandbox. So regarding first three sandboxes, we will discuss after some time. Okay, this is not the right time to discuss about this. Now I'm going to discuss about the full copy sandbox. What is full copy sandbox here? Full copy sandbox means the sandbox contains the replica. Replica means duplicate copy of the original application. It is used for testing purpose. Understand, Alekhya? Full copy sandbox contains what? Replica. Replica means the meaning of replica word is what? Duplicate. Duplicate copy of the original application. Whatever application developers developed, that application duplicate copy, that application replica, they will place in where? In full copy sandbox. Why they will place? Because it is used for what purpose? Testing purpose. Generally, see guys, you people know about SDLC. What is SDLC stands for? Alekhya or Chandra, any one of you please tell me. SDLC stands for what?
Salesforce development life cycle.
Software development life.
Software development lifecycle.
Software development life cycle. Actually, it contains 4 phases. The first phase is called designing phase. Second phase can be called as development phase. Third one is called testing. Last one can be called as deployment. So these are the 4 phases, okay, in software development lifecycle. Generally, designing phase, development phase, testing phase, and deployment phase. What is the meaning of testing here? Testing means it is a process of checking the application whether it is really meeting the client's requirement, or it is a process of checking the application whether it is really meeting the client's requirement or not. Okay, that process can be called as testing. Okay, so if the application completely fulfill the client's requirement, then we have to go for what? Deployment. What is the meaning of deployment? Deployment means moving the application from a sandbox to production environment. That process can be called as a deployment. Deployment means move the application from sandbox to a production. That process can be called as deployment. Am I clear, all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Good. So like that, we have 4 types of sandboxes: developer, developer pro, partial, and full copy sandbox. All this comes under sandbox environment. So coming to next important thing, deployment. So deployment means moving the application from sandbox to production. So what is the production environment here? Production environment means I can say it is it's a client's environment where client and client employees are sitting and using the application, where client and client employees are using the application. I can say it is SaaS environment. SaaS means software as a service or application as a service. SaaS environment. It's a client's environment where a client and client employees are sitting and using the application. It's a production environment. My question is, what is my question is client and client employees knows how to use application? Come on.
No.
How to use application? They don't know because they are not technical persons, yes or no? Understand, Alekhya and Chandra? They don't know how to use the application because they are not technical persons, right? That is why they don't know how to use the application. That is why to monitor them, to guide them, and also to monitor the application, how it is working. Okay, for everything, there is another person. There is another person who is always sitting at the client's place. That person, we can call him as, super user, or I can say system. Come on. What is this? Administrator. Super user or system administrator. Okay. Super user or system administrator. So system administrator is a person who is always sitting at the client's environment or client's place. Suppose tomorrow if you got a job as a system administrator, what are your roles and responsibilities? What are your roles and responsibilities? So the roles and responsibilities of system admin is, this topic is very important, guys. The roles and responsibilities of system administrator are System administrator initially, he need to create the account in Salesforce. Create the account in Salesforce means create the username and create the password for every user in the company. Okay. Then only they are authorized to access the application. After that, system administrator is going to create the roles. System administrator is going to create the profiles. Profile means some collection of permissions. Fourth one, system administrator is going to grant the privileges to the users. System administrator is going to revoke the, come on, what is this? Privileges from the users. He is the person performing data management operations, such as import and export operations. Import means okay, moving the data from Excel system to Salesforce. Export means moving the data from Salesforce to Excel system using some tools, that is data import wizard and data loader. Next one. Next important thing. Data automation and approvals. Okay. Using some tools, that is workflows, process builder, flow builder, approval process. Eighth one, data analysis, that is reports and dashboards. Last and final one, data security. Actually, this is the most crucial job of system administrator, okay? Data security. So we can provide the security in different levels, guys. We can provide the security in different levels. Org level security means organization level security. Then app level security. Then tab level security. Object level security. Field level security. And finally, record level security. Under record level security, we will discuss about OWD. OWD stands for Organization wide defaults. Role hierarchies. Sharing rules. And manual sharing. So these are the, okay, topics that comes under what here? Data security. So all these topics, okay, we will cover in admin module. As I said, we have 6 modules. The topics, whatever I written on the screen, all these topics we will cover in where? Administration part. Understand, Chandra and
Yes, sir.
Lekya?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
See, guys, after completion of this course, you will get 2 types of jobs, guys. One is administrator job. Second one, developer job. Understand? Either you can go for development side as a developer, or you can go for administration side. Okay. So, but initially better to go for admin side. Once you got exposure, once you got experience, at least 6 months to 1 year, then you can move into development side. Understand all of you? Hello. So these
Yes, sir.
are the responsibilities of system administrator. And tomorrow's topic, I'm going to discuss about I'm going to start the first module. What is the first module here? Come on. Configuration. Understand, Alekia?
Yes, sir.
First module, I'm going to start configuration. So before I start configuration, okay, first I need to discuss about how to create an account in Salesforce. Okay, how to create an account in, come on, Salesforce. That I will discuss. After that, okay, we will enter into configuration topic. So regarding today's class, if anyone have any doubts, you can ask the questions, please. Alekia and Chandra.
One doubt. Will you be able to help us with administrator certificate?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Yes.
As soon as we have completed the admin topic, we will be ready for the certificate.
Yes, I will provide the examination dumps also, old examination dumps. Most of the questions are repeated from those examination questions, papers, okay?
Okay.
I will provide the previous examination dumps, questions.
And I have already created an account, but it's been a year and I guess it's not getting opened.
Yeah, if it, whether open or not open, no problem. If it is, if 90 days is crossed, then automatically your account is going to freeze.
Yes. It's been more than 90 days.
Then your account has been freezed. Better to create
So
another account.
I have to create with new email.
No. Say, you can use the same email, no issues.
Okay. All right.
On the same email, you can create multiple accounts, no issues.
Okay.
Okay, Alekia, Chandra, Sanat Kumar, am I audible?
Yeah.
Sanat Kumar. So I'll catch you tomorrow same time at 6 o'clock. Okay, I will start the first module configuration. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Take care.
Thank you.